Imagine a body shop where everything runs smoothly. Everything's connected, with all your team on the same page and every step tracked and analysed. Introducing Onyx, the next generation body shop management system designed by repairers for repairers, maximising efficiency, performance and profitability across your entire business. Know exactly what's needed for every job. Assess damage, generate estimates and get work started instantly. From the moment a job comes in, Onyx has it covered. Accept jobs and watch them move straight into your queue for immediate assessment and scheduling. Assign tasks, automate routines and track live technician availability, keeping the team focused on what matters. Need parts? Order, track and receipt them directly from the Onyx dashboard. Waste no time with out-the-box integration to top parts suppliers and easily integrate with your own providers. You'll always find the best price parts with the fastest turnaround. Managing courtesy vehicles? Onyx tracks your entire fleet by make, model, availability and spec, handling bookings, returns and even scheduled maintenance effortlessly. Keep your team connected with real-time updates and instant messaging. From the office to the shop floor, everyone stays connected and informed at every step. Track your shop's performance at a glance with your own customizable data dashboard, offering real-time insights on efficiency, cost and profit, keeping you informed and aligned with your business strategy. Operating multiple locations, Onyx scales with you. Whether it's one shop or 100, every repair can be tracked, prioritized and reported centrally for simplified management. Onyx is fully web-based, accessible from anywhere, with no on-site installation necessary. With mobile and tablet usability, you'll never miss an update, no matter where you are. Whatever your shop scale or budget, Onyx offers flexible tiered pricing and fully tailored implementation options. Join the industry-leading body shops already transforming their operations with Onyx. Book your free demo today. Work smarter with Onyx, the next generation body shop management system built by repairers for repairers.